I am Bénédicte Peroz. I live in the southwest of France. I used to work in marketing and communication. I was in charge of marketing for a big sport business agency in the southwest. And then I created my own agency, communication agency. And one day I decided just to change my life, just to have another rhythm of life and with other value. So I started to do yoga. I practice yoga a lot from now more than 20 years. And I still was facing many things that I didn't really like. And I decided to really go deeper in meditation. That's how I discovered mindfulness meditation. And that's why I'm here today. So what is mindfulness? Maybe it's easier for you to understand because it comes from an American word, English word. Mindfulness is a state of being present intentionally. So I decide to be present to everything that happens in the present moment. So you will tell me, okay, but what happens in the present moment? It could be the focus on the breath. Inhale, exhale, which is quite easy to start. It can be a focus on the sensation, like body sensation. I have a little bit of pain in my back, or maybe in my shoulder, or just I feel release, for example. So focus on the sensation. It can be a focus on noise, sounds around. It can be also a focus on the thought. It can be a focus on the feelings. So all these kind of things can be point of focusing the attention in the present moment. So mindfulness and mindfulness meditation is an exercise to train the brain to be concentrate on all this kind of point of focus. So you will tell me, but why is it important and why do we talk about mindfulness today? Well, we talk about mindfulness because many studies, neuroscientific studies, shows us that for the last 20 years, for example, practicing mindfulness meditation and different kind of practice of mindfulness meditation can help us to have a better sleep, better concentration, which is the first very important point, but also can work on stress, anxiety, anger, chronic pain, burnout, depression. But we also can practice mindfulness just because we just want to learn, because something made sense inside of ourselves, and we feel that maybe that's something that can help us just to surf on our life a little bit easily than usual. So mindfulness and meditation, mindfulness meditation, you can learn it. Because there's not only one way to learn meditation, not only sitting meditation, we can learn with a body scan. Body scan is like when you lay on your bed, for example, and I will guide you, like just to be present You can sit, of course, it's one of the ways to learn also. But you can walk and do like a walking meditation. And you can do also yoga, mindful movement. Like something very slow, very slow, very slow, very slow. The only thing that's important is just to realize that all these kind of exercises, they have the same point of focusing, is to focus on the attention, to be concentrate on what happens. So my invitation today is to try to experience different practice. Maybe the 4 practices I just talked about. Just to give you an essence of it, an idea of it. Just to, like we say, just put a seed and see how you will feel after. With no expectation, no objective, no goal to reach, except to be there. So let's try. Let's try together. Let's experience it together.